Okay, children, oh, you all are not coming to school, all are not attending the virtual class, and we all are also, all teachers are missing you a lot. And sitting in a cozy room, wearing the, in the winter morning, and wearing the warm clothes, and enjoying the stories, it's very nice, isn't it? Do you like stories? So, I will start a story. You like stories? So, I am going to tell one story. While my children were kids, I used to tell a story, a very short story. What is the story? एक राजा था, एक था राजा, एक थी रानी, दोनों मिल गए खत्म कहानी. This is the story. I used to tell this story every day, and they were asking me, tell me the other what happened next, but I did not tell. But now, as you are also now growing students, I am going to tell you the total story. Okay, you listen me. So, एक था राजा, एक थी रानी, that means there was a king and there was a queen. And king has one brother and sister. The brother and sister both were married and they settled in their own states. And they sometimes, they both are, this king and queen, they have one son and one daughter. The son and daughter, this brother of the king and sister of the king, they are the uncle and aunt of these little kids, yes or no? And these little kids, sometimes their uncle and aunt came to visit their palace. Sometimes when their children grown up, the king and queen send the students to their school. How you are coming to school? Like this, the king and queen also send them to the school. They went to the school, there was the teacher was there. The teacher, the husband and wife both are teachers. And they taught these two students, the princess and prince. Do you know what the princess? The son of the king is called the prince and the daughter of the king is called the princess. So, both were taught by this husband, wife, both were the teachers. And the king, the teacher means the sir, they are calling the male teacher, they are calling the sir, and the madam, the wife of the teacher was called the madam, sir and madam. And they taught the students how to make the warfare, because they are the king, son of the children of the king, so taught how to learn warfare. And the prince, from his very childhood, he saw how the king was going to the forest and made the hunting of the animals. And he had a passion to hunt the animals also. So, one day he told the teacher, we will go for hunting. And they went to the jungle for hunting. And there they killed different types of animals. And when they returning to their home, they saw one lion and another lioness. They were playing and they were feared. And the time was tense. The sir, the teacher, ordered the prince to shoot that lioness. And the prince shoot that lioness and the lioness was died. When the lioness was died, the lion became furious. When lion became furious, what happened? The situation became very tense. So, the teacher threw one net on the lion. And you know the story, when the lion was on the net and he roared and roared, and hereby the mouse and the doe, both are living, they hear the sound of the lion and they came to help her, they revealed the net and they set free the lion. Understand? And here the prince and princess, they returned to their house and this went to their father, mother, grandfather and grandmother and told the story to them how they escaped from the revenge of the lions and tigers. So, in this story, children, we come to learn about some new words. What are the words? First, we come to know about king. Understand? Here we have king, then we have queen. Then another is the son, daughter. Then another word, prince, princess. So here we are reading about king means it is the male, queen means it is a female. So in this chapter we are going to read, today we are going to read about gender. What is gender? Noun. So today's topic name is gender. Gender noun. You know what is noun? All the naming words are called nouns. So here king, queen, son, daughter, prince, princess, uncle, aunt, sir, madam, lion, lioness, rat, dog. So all these words, they specify the animal, the male member of the family and female member of the family. So coming to gender, what do you mean by gender? Gender means the male and female member of the family. So in our English, there are 4 types of genders are there. What are the 4 types of gender? One is the masculine gender. What is masculine gender? The male member of his species is known as a masculine gender. Give the example. Here I have given king, prince, lion, bull, rat, tiger. These are the example of masculine gender. And the female member of a species is known as the feminine gender noun. Number 2 is feminine gender noun. Feminine gender में कौन सा आते हैं? Here the queen, daughter, princess, aunt, madam, lioness, doe, all these have come to the feminine group. Daughter, aunt, mother, grandmother, doe. Doe is the female of rat. The female of the rat is known as the doe. So all these are the feminine gender. जैसे Ritik, you are a boy, and Prapti, you are a girl. Yes or no? So boy is the masculine gender, and here girl is the feminine gender. Yes or no? So there is another gender, that is common gender. Common gender means they are the male and female member of the species. Both it may be male member, it may be a female member. Can you give an example? Just say we are going teacher. Teacher means a male person may be a teacher, a female person may be a teacher. You are telling doctor. Doctor means a female is a doctor, a male is a doctor, the engineer. जैसे हम बोलते हैं तुम्हारा क्या पायलट, ऐसे बोलते हैं. एंड हियर इट मे बी द फीमेल कैन बी ए डॉक्टर, मेल पर्सन any job which you see the helpers who are coming to help us, like the doctor, the architect, the worker, all these it may be the female, they may be the female members or they may be the male members. So that is called the common gender. They say example, doctor, worker, lawyer, teacher, and student. Student means it may be boy student, it may be girl student. So student is also a common gender. the common gender. This is the third category. Then fourth category is neuter gender. What is a neuter gender? Neuter gender means it is not a male member, it is not a male member or it is a female member. It is mostly non-living things, the plants are the living things, but they all comes to the neuter gender. There is no male person is there is no female person is there. Like जैसे हम बोलते हैं table, you can say table is a male or female, you cannot say. Say जैसे हम are telling house, spoon, bag. So these things are called the neuter gender. They are not male gender and not the female gender. These are the neuter genders. So these are the four types of genders. Then coming to the examples, different examples. First I am giving the example of the masculine gender. See, here I have written three sentences. Look at this boy. He is my younger brother. My father loves him. So here in this sentence, can you say children, he? He is what? Do you know? Already we have taught, he is a noun. It's a pronoun. He is a pronoun. Pronoun, what do you mean by pronoun? Pronoun means the words which replace the nouns, those are called the pronouns. So here he and him both are used for a boy. Yes or no? He is my younger brother. Brother is the male person. My father. Father is also the male person. So for brother, for boy, he and him is used. So here boy, brother, father, these are the noun. These are the noun. But here he and him both are pronouns. These are used for the male person. So here he and him both are the masculine gender. Got it? Do you understand? Any doubt is there? Then come to the second. Same example I am giving. Look at this girl. She is my younger sister. My mother loves her. Same example I have repeated here. Just change the gender. Look at this girl. Girl is, you know, this is the female gender. She is my younger sister. Here sister is also female gender. And my mother loves her. My mother is the female gender and her is the pronoun here. So she and her both are the pronoun here. And these pronouns are used for the female gender. So here her and she both are the feminine gender. Okay. So then come to the next example. Next example come to the neuter gender. That is the then come the neuter. This is my house. This is my house. It has a beautiful garden. See. So here I have told this is my house and it has a beautiful garden. So here garden is a noun, house is a noun, and these both the nouns are the neuter gender because they are neither male nor female. And for this house I use the pronoun it. I use the word it. So it is a neuter gender. Understand? These are the different types of genders, and sometimes children like I, we, us, our, these pronouns are used either for the female gender or for the male gender. That means it may be masculine or it may be feminine. But words when using they and them, pronouns like they and them, both are may be masculine, may be feminine or may be neuter. Why? I am giving one example. These are some new books. There are many beautiful pictures in them. So these are some new books and there are many beautiful pictures in them. Here them is used for the books. So it is a neuter gender. But when we are talking about the girls have just come to our house, they are going for a picnic. So here they used for the girls. If I tell this is the children are playing there, the boys are playing there, they are going for the next class. So here they use for a male gender. So some pronouns like they, them, these are used either maybe for the masculine gender, feminine gender and neuter gender. So children, this is all about your gender, and next class I will teach you our adjective. Okay? Till now, if there is any doubt, you just tell me. Next class I will clear all your doubts. Okay children? Bye children.